Hi everybody, welcome to this video session. Today we're going to speak about 7 persuasive techniques to improve your writing. Persuasive writing is always in demand in the corporate sector. To persuade the reader, there is the need to patronize your business through advertising, website content, and general branding. These all rely largely on persuasive messages. So, what are the most effective persuasive methods? There are different approaches or methods that authors employ to take a better position on a subject. These are used to persuade their audience and share a particular opinion. These methods are best known as persuasive techniques. Depending on their target audience and goals and genre, writers alter their persuasive approaches. The most appealing messages are those that present the perspective of an objective argument. That is followed by writers who present only one single argument and do not address the opposing side points. A writer must persuade readers while revealing his or her beliefs, reasoning, and opinions. We must know that persuasive writing is a challenging undertaking. You must be prepared to address objections because persuasive writers employ a variety of strategies to promote their viewpoints. Here are a few signs that indicate when someone has a propensity for persuasion. First of all, they attract others with their charismatic personalities and enthuse them. They confidently express their thoughts and opinions. They take the necessary steps to make their argument. In general, these writers aren't scared to bring up issues that others might be hesitant to bring up. The ethos, the ethical appeal, the pathos, the emotional appeal, the logos, the logical appeal are their primary categories of persuasive writing approaches. Ethos is the Greek term for character or spirit. It describes the author persona in persuasive writing. Authors of persuasive writing establish their reputation once they become experts on a subject. Moreover, they are more likely to persuade the reader. In order to portray themselves in the best possible light, Aristotle advises that the author should exhibit their useful abilities, virtues, and goodwill towards the reader. Logos. The term logos derives from the Greek word for logic or rationale. It describes the use of logical reasoning and supporting evidence. A competent writer supports their viewpoint using numbers and facts in addition to compelling rhetoric. Although it is crucial, supporting ideas with extensive research is only one aspect of logos. In persuasive writing, logos also refers to organizing your case as effectively as you can. That entails understanding how to begin an essay. It means developing your points in the proper order and concluding with a strong statement. Pathos is the Greek word for suffering or experience. It refers to an utter use of appeal to the reader's emotions. As much as we'd like to believe it, we are rational beings. Researchers of recent studies have revealed that. Most of all, contrary to what we might believe, people prefer to act more on the basis of emotional than reasons. A compelled writer is well aware of this. Speeches are also used to persuade, frequently tugging at the heartstrings, in order to gain the reader's sympathy or persuade them to take into account the feelings of others. The author could draw on personal experience, such as narrating a distressing event. Before using pathos, Aristotle highlights how crucial it is to comprehend your audience. This is essential mostly because various readers may respond emotionally differently to some piece of writing. Writing persuasive essays is an effective writing technique. It enables a writer to communicate their ideas in persuasive and organized manner. Writing persuasive has the capacity to persuade readers. It also expresses support for a cause or issue, a call to action. This involves matters such as making a donation to a certain cause or casting a ballot for a particular political candidate. Writing persuasive teaches readers how to use facts and research in an engaging yet concise manner. This enhances a writer's overall skill. A writer develops the ability to clearly and concisely explain their primary points. You can start by following 7 tips for better persuasive writing. First of all is decide on a subject that interests you. When the subject is something you firmly believe in, you'll be most persuasive. If you have a choice of topics, pick one that speaks to your personal values. This is relevant even though research and will be necessary to have a strong point of view. Second of all, be aware of your audience. Knowing your audience will help you persuade your reader. You come to believe in and agree with them. For instance, your target audience can be represented by parents. This can be argued by the educational system. Keep in mind that when you write, you need to be well-intentioned for your audience. Third of all, grab the reader interest. A declarative statement that clearly states the author's position includes a persuasive introduction to their argument. Beginning your essay with a fact, research findings, or other piece of evidence that directly supports their thesis will let the reader know what the essay will be about. This will also suggest what position you are taking and whether they should continue reading to know more about it. Fourth of all, examine each side. You must also understand what you're trying to get from the reader. It is all right to disagree with them if you want to persuade them or agree with them. It is imperative to know both sides of your argument. Also, how to persuasively refute the opposition. This will suit and follow up concerns that the reader may have, or could raise questions about your directed perspective. Your audience might be completely set on knowing your best provocative ways. Fifth of all, show empathy. Empathy is a persuasive tool that works well if a reader thinks you can identify with and comprehend their experiences. They are most likely to believe you. Since it appeals to the audience's emotions while also offering a rational justification for why their opinions should change, emotional appeal is crucial for persuasive writing. Sixth of all, pose provocative queries. Another effective persuasive technique is to pose questions that the reader must later decide for themselves. This is important, especially if the data you give them to use as a guide supports your position. And seventh of all, make a point of emphasis. Another effective persuasive strategy is to exaggerate or convey urgency, exclusivity, or just a great point of view. Hyperbolic phrases are employed to paint a powerful picture rather than be taken literally. If you're trying to convince a reader not to visit a restaurant, for instance, you can remark that their super services nearly starved you to death. Even though it's probably forced, it nevertheless paints a clear picture. Another illustration of marketing is Disney's tagline, "The happiest place on earth." There are few persuasive writing approaches, but it is really important for a reader to start using them in order to be more compelling. This is all for today. Thank you for joining.